Good morning, students. According to your request that you have sent some request for explaining the chapter that exercise 10.3 of mathematics, that exercise 10.3, that exercise on visualizing solid shape. Students, first of all, these chapters for this exercise 3 or 4 sums are very much important. Like first sum, in the first sum it is given that the can a polyhedron have for its faces, number 1 3 triangles, number A 3 triangles, and number B 4 triangles. Is it possible to having 3 triangles to make a polyhedron? It is not possible. By 3 triangles you cannot form a polyhedron. So minimum for making a polyhedron you need minimum 4 triangles. Okay, next important sums, that is Euler's formula. Euler's formula, that is, for that formula statement is if a plus v minus e equal to 2, a plus v minus e equal to 2, f for faces, v for vertices, e for edges. So if any polyhedron, every polyhedron should satisfy that formula, a plus v minus e equal to 2. Using that formula, you need to solve question number 7 of that exercise. Question number 7 of that exercise, that some faces are given here, faces, vertices and edges. Okay, in the first question, when vertices given 16 and 12, what will be the faces, what will be the number of faces? Okay, so you know that a plus v minus e equal to 2. Just put down the value, value of f plus v. V means 6 minus 12 equal to 2. Okay, so f minus 6 equal to 2, so f equal to 2 plus 6, that equal to 8. So value of faces, that is 8. So now number 8 is the next question, next part, that is faces given 5. Faces given 5 and edges given 9. What will be the value of how many vertices it has? First of all, just use that same formula. A plus v minus e. That formula is known as Euler's formula. So just put down the value of f, that is 5 plus v minus 9 equal to 2. 5 minus 9, so you will get v minus 4, that is 2. So v equal to 6. 6 is the answer. Using the same way, when f given 20 and vertices given 12, so what will be the value, how many edges it has? So this is a plus v, that is 12 plus 20 plus 12, that is 32 minus e equal to 2, so you will get 30. So that you will get 30. So the question number 8 is completed. Question number 7 is completed. Okay, so these sums are very much important for your exam, maths exam. One question will come from this portion. Okay, question number 8. Can a polyhedron have 10 faces? So faces, f equal to 10, v equal to, vertices equal to 15 and edges equal to 20. Can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 15 vertices and e, that is edges 20? First of all, if that polyhedron satisfies the Euler's formula, then it can have. Okay, let's check. First of all, the formula is Euler's formula, f plus v minus e equal to 2. So left hand side left hand side, that is a plus b minus e equal e. Okay, if the value of a plus b minus e equal to 2, then that polyhedron can have 10 faces, 15 vertices and 20 edges. So f, that is 10, v, that is 15 and e, that is 20. Okay, so you will get here, that is 10 plus 15, 25, 25 minus 25. So that 5, that not equal to 2. So that polyhedron cannot have, or that polyhedron do not have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. So this sum solve, if it is given, if it is for it is given that f equal to v equal to 5, f equal to v equal to 5 for a polyhedron, what will be the value of e? It's very easy question, students. Just use the Euler's formula, that a plus v minus e equal to 2. So f equal to 5, v equal to 5 minus e equal to 2. So you will get e minus e equal to minus 8 e. So number of edges is 8. Okay, students. For your request, I have discussed this type of questions once again. Further, if you have any doubt, just write it down in our portal within half an hour. After that, it is not possible to upload any video in our YouTube channel. Thank you, students. Bye.